Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix app download error on Google Play Store. So let's get into it. First of all, open Settings and tap on Apps and Notification. Search for Google Play Store and tap on it. Now hit Storage and Cache option. Tap on Clear Storage and Clear Cache. Head back to the Google Play Store and try downloading the app again. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.